Imagine a journey, unimpeded by the shroud of night, a journey illuminated with the brilliance of 1,000 stars. Step into the world of the Hs1 12V35/35 WPX43T bike and scooter headlight Microsine auto bulb. Crafted with precision, designed for durability. A beacon in the dark, a guide in the twilight. Its robust build ensures a lasting performance, while its compact design fits seamlessly into your beloved ride. This isn't just a headlight, it's a statement. It's about safety, about clarity, about embracing the night with confidence. Experience the unparalleled luminosity of the Hs1 12V35/35 WPX43T bulb, and watch as it transforms your nighttime adventures. Because when the sun sets, your journey doesn't need to end. The night is yours to conquer. Illuminate your path with the Hs1 12V35/35 WPX43T headlight bulb. It's your journey, light it up.